Move your stem for
Na.
the plastic ride kabayan.
Sinatan guys, magpunta sa classmate niya. Mayagan ko na lang. Bebe, ingat ka doon ha. Hatid namin siya doon, magbike kami. Bebe love, I want to tell you something. Be good ha. Be good. Yes. And listen to the mama of Tim. Yeah, bebe, I'm still talking to you. So you can go there. Be good. Yeah. Listen to the mama of Tim.
Yeah.
Play together.
Yeah.
Share toys together. Okay?
Yeah.
Is that good?
And share candies together.
Agoy. Yung bata pa naman yan, yung nagpunta yan dito, grabe, naghanap ng ice cream, ng popcorn, ng candy, lahat na. Hinanap. Palaging gutom. And, what else?
And chips.
Agoy.
They want also chips.
Be good ha. Listen to the mama ha. If the mama says no, that cannot be, what will you do?
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Okay? Yeah? And don't fight. No
Yeah.
fighting. And, I want to tell you something.
Share this new chips.
And, oh, look up. Grabe kaya ka, ano guys, excited. And also, I want to tell you something. That, I'm not yet done. I forgot. That, you need to be careful with the stairs there.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'll be careful.
Thank you, baby love.
And now,
And now we get our bikes and we will bring you there to the house of Tim, okay? O, araw na to siyang nakikipaglaro ba? Which is mabuti.
the other.
My bike and the bike of Papa, we will both bring you there. Mabuti din naman yan no, na may kalaro po siya kahapon. Nagpunta yung best friend niya, si Daily. Pero pumipili po ako ng kaibigan ni Nathan guys, kaya meron siyang isang dinala na grabe niya karaf makipaglaro guys, na makita ko ba pag nasa school sila, ginaganon-ganon niya ang liig ni Nathan, tapos ginaganon-ganon daw siya. Ano na kasi yun, 6 years old na, tapos si Nathan 4 pabaya. Ano kasi, hinalo sila ba, minix po yung kanilang, dapat group 1, group 2. Iba-iba. Sa kanila, minix po nila dyan. Mas matured po yung, yung bata na yun. Tapos minsan, tapunan daw siya. Mag-football sila ba? Tapos pinupunta daw sa mukha niya. Ganun. Magsumbong na si Nathan sa akin ngayon guys. Mabuti na lang. And don't eat all the candies and the sweets there ha. It's not good ha. Maybe you will eat 20 candies. Linisan ko na muna kay kinakamot ang puwit. Linisan ko ang puwit guys. Kaya nag-uo daw siya sa school. Hindi, bayaan sila naghuhugas doon. Kaya linisan ko na muna ang anak ko, no? Nathan, if you already want to go home, you can tell the mama of Tim. Can I go home now? Can you call my mama, okay? She knows my number, baby love, yeah? Okay, so mama and papa will get you there. Hello?
Hello.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
Okay. What did I say then?
If
If you want to go home, what will you do?
I want to go home.
Yeah, and call my mama, please. Okay? Nahatid na namin si Nathan, guys. Kalma lang ang nanay. Mukhang mabait din naman yung nanay. Kaya panatag din ako ba? Tsaka yung bata, nakalaro na doon sa bahay. Naglalaro talaga sila ni Nathan. Kaya kaedad niya lang. Tingin-tingin na lang kayo ng mga malalaking bahay dyan. Oh. Oh. Likod yan ng bahay, guys. Tapos may tubig sa likod. See that? May pa-slide pa sila dyan, oh. Ang ganda din ang bahay nila dito, oh. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin, guys. Siguro mga 4 minutes na bike. Diba? Mga kapitbahay lang din namin ang mga classmate niya. Ah, grabe, mayayaman ito. Oh, isang bahay lang yan. Hindi yan dalawang bahay, guys. Pag ganyan ang bahay mo, pag mag-isa ka lang, mayaman ka. Maraming naliligo dito kapag summer. Dalhin ko kayo dyan pag mainit, guys, para makita po ninyo, no? Ang mister ko, oh. Ano kasi itong akin, electric, tapos sobrang hangin. Mas mabigat po ang pagbike niya. Everything is fine, mahal? Is it hard to cycle with this weather?
No, it's good. Only a short trip.
Yeah. Mag-city sana tayo kay magkuha ako ng gulay kaso kay wala man si Nathan. No, mamaya na lang hintayin natin kay pakuha man daw siya ng mga alas 4. Tapos maaga na lang kami mag-dinner. Tapos punta tayo ng city kasi ano din today, Yung ano nga, Coop Avon. What's that? That every Thursday ba na alas 9 magsarado ang mga stores.
So,
Yeah.
now we have all time, mahal.
Yeah.
We can chuk-chuk
Let's go. Meron ako guys, lumabas na siya. I'm not PMSing anymore because it's there, it's out.
You're still PMSing. Oh, that was your nose. I love you.
My mom is calling.
Okay. Hello!
Bakit naman naabot ang mga sinampay dito? Ano pa kasi moist pa siya kagabi. Kaya nakasampay pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. At hindi ko na nilalabas ang mga sampayan ko guys. Allergy po ng mag-ama ko, malala. Kahapon hindi po ako nag-vlog. Mag-vlog sana ako kaso sinata naka-recruit pa ng kaibigan niya. Hindi ako nag-vlog. Tapos ang ulam namin kahapon ay sinigang na ribs. Grabe kasarap. Meron pang natira. Kunti ni tinan nyo. Tinanggal ko na ang gulay. Kaya diba? Kilala nyo na si Indagarn. Tanggalin talaga ang gulay pag mag-init. Meron pa atang 2 ribs na natira. Bigay ko yan kay Nathan. Tapos dagdagan ko siya ng mga gulay. Kaya, diba last time ayaw niya ng talong? Ay, kagabi. Para yung isang talong na ganyan na galing sa ano, siya ang nagkumain. Nagustuhan niya masyado. Anong oras na nakaano pa rin, nakasarado pa rin itong mga kortina ko dito. I want coffee, my love, please. Hindi kami makapag-city kasi nga baka na magtawag yung nanay bigla. Tapos nag-date kami sa city. Ano kayo? Single? Walang anak? Diba? Kaya mamaya na lang, hintayin na lang po namin si Nathan. May kunin nga kasi sana ako doon na in-order ko pong gulay. Ano nga yun, may sabihin sana ako. Baka ma-misinterpret niyo yung sinabi ko na pumipili po ako ng kaibigan ni Nathan. Which is totoo naman, no, tayong mga nanay, kung pwede lang piliin natin yung mga kaibigan ng anak natin na hindi po sila masaktan, gano'n. Pero ang gusto ko kasing mangyari guys, ang sinasabi ko, kung makita ko na ganyan, rough ang bata, gusto ko dito lang sila maglaro para makita ko ba kung anong ginagawa nila, anong ginagawa kay Nathan. Kaya makita ko man talaga dun sa school na natuok na ganyan na yung anak ko. Tapos sinatapunan ng bola ba, na parang ginagawa siyang papi. Kaya maliit ba si Nathan, tapos ano pa ba, baby pa, tapos yun kay mga matured na. Ang gusto ko dito po sila maglaro sa bahay, hindi doon sa bahay ng bata na yun. Pero ngayon, kay nakita ko yung nagpunta naman yun dito, yung pinuntahan niya ngayon, naglaro na po sila. Tapos yung bata, okay siya nakalaro ni Nathan, kaya pumayag ako. Oo, na maglaro siya doon. Siyempre, kilalanin din natin ang bata, no? Bago natin ipahatid-hatid lang doon kung saan man ang anak natin. Tayo pa namang mga nanay, di ba? Maintindihan nyo man kaya ako guys, at hindi nyo ako sabihan ng OA, pero tingnan nyo naman ang pagka-aesthetic na yan. Di ko pa napakita sa inyo yan, na nalagay ko na ang pagka-aesthetic na yan. Aesthetic, right? Wala lang laman, kaya naubusan na tayo ng prutas. Tapos, syempre, pa-wood tayo dito guys, sabi ko sa inyo. Aesthetic vibes. Wood on. A little bit of white. And all the whites in the world.
I need to ask you something.
What?
What did you think of my lunch?
I will show you guys.
Super yummy.
How about the talong?
Was super cooked, mahal. You said it's not cooked. I cooked it because I made it really thin and then I fried it before doing anything.
Nag-experiment ang mister ko guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Super
I
yummy
only had
daw.
1 egg and I had to do everything with that. You know, it's not enough egg. That's why I made it scrambled.
Because you know what I was thinking? The first picture you send me, you put the talong that is hard and you also put the cabbage already, and the cabbage is, the life of that is very little.
No, the cabbage needs to be soft too. This is what you do when you slice stuff thinly.
Hindi ko po kasi siya naipagluto, kaya nagbuhay-buhay siya ng kanya. Kaya habang nagluluto siya guys, nag-walking po ako doon sa taas. Kaya gusto ko na talagang magbalik ng walking guys. Hindi lang ako sure kung makaabot pa tayo sa chorus o puro intro na naman tayo ba. Kaya parang mga 1 month ago, ako ng 2 days. Nag-walking ako ng 2 days. Yun na yun. 2 days sa isang buwan.
You sure it won't be raining later?
No,
Super
it won't be
now.
raining later. Yeah? You know, Maricel is inviting me to go to the city later at 9 baya because we will have some fun and with some nachos. Sige daw, Bi. Kung hindi ba naman abnormal ang weather dito, guys. Nag-araw. 5 minutes lang nagulan. Sabi ko sa inyo, Netherlands weather. I-Google nyo ang Netherlands weather. Malala pa ito sa akin. Kung buang-buang ako pag nag-PMS, mas kakaiba. Free tayo everyone, made with love. At saka, alam nyo ba, di ba? Last week lang, 31, nag-26, nag-28, nag-30. Ano ngayon? Alam nyo ano na naman ngayong week? Malamig na naman. Diyan, ilagay ko dyan. Kita nyo? Yan ang Dutch weather. So, kung magpunta kayo dito, be ready. Kay, ang Google, pati ang Google, hindi niya din alam, guys. Kay sabihin niya, nag-ulan, tas hindi nag-ulan. Tapos, pag walang ulan, nag-ulan. Summer na po dito, but feels like autumn. Kay ulan ng ulan, tapos malamig na naman. Kaya pag nagpunta kayo, ang masasabi ko sa inyo, kahit summer, magdala kayo ng mga winter coat nyo dyan. Kay last week lang, nakita nyo, ay, ang init sa Netherlands, guys. Tapos ngayon, naka-jacket na naman kami. At saka, magdala kayo ng raincoat palagi. Kung hindi raincoat, magdala kayo ng payong palagi. Kay pati ang Google, hindi niya din alam kung kailan uulan dito. Pinagluluko din kami ni Google, guys. Magtanong kami kung mag-ulan, pati siya hindi niya alam. Nag-ulan sa kanya, wala nag-ulan sa labas. Grabe ka araw. Tapos meron pa, nangyari pa sa akin, sabihin na buong araw mag-ulan. Tapos na-cancel na ang mga gala. Kay mag-ulan daw buong araw. Huwag na tayo mag-alis dayo. Huwag na tayo magkita-kita muna kay pangit ang weather. Tapos alam nyo, sa buong araw, 5 minutes lang nag-ulan. Gusto nyo ng proof? Ha? Para hindi nyo masabi na uwi lang ako. Yan o. Conversation namin ni Maricel. Kagabi lang yan ha. Tingnan nyo. Diyan, di ba mag-ano daw kami, mag-nachos. Sinend ko sa kanya ang na mag-ulan-ulan. Tapos kaninang umaga, chinek ko na naman, nag-iba na naman ang weather, guys. Tapos alas 9, di ba ang usapan namin? Tingnan nyo nakalagay dyan. Parang may galit sa amin ang weather. Alas 9 daw siya mag-ulan. Tapos ngayon, chinek ko na naman, ano na naman ang nangyari? Nagbago na naman. Yan na naman ang weather. Magulan-ulan na naman daw. Sinasabi ko po yan sa inyo kay buti alam po ninyo yung mga expectations po niyo sa weather dito kapag gusto niyo pong magbakasyon. Very po talaga siya unpredictable. O, diba kahit si Google na nga. Kami po yan silang mga ginagawang video about sa Dutch weather sa TikTok na mga nakakatawa. Alam nyo, wala po akong maayos na tulog. 3 days na. Hindi nga sana ako mag-vlog today pero na-realize ko na hindi ako nag-vlog. Hello! Mapapanood nyo agad ito bukas. So kung hindi ako mag-vlog, absent tayo guys. Hanapin na naman tayo ng mga ating mga subscriber. Wala akong maayos na tulog kaya stress ako. May kinaka-stressan po ako ngayon na secret lang. Isang araw kasi ba, kinalabit ako ni Daniel. Imbis nakatulog na ako. Kinalabit niya ako ng mga alauna. Na nakatulog ako, alas 4. Yung mga natin subscriber dyan, galit na naman. Talaga, pinapatawa ko lang nga kayo. Tapos, siyempre, asawa ako. Responsibilidad ko yan. Go! Diba? Go lang ng go. Juicy pa ba ako? Ganda-ganda sa sarili, siyempre. Akyat na muna doon ako maghanap ng malinis ko, guys. Right, mahal? Right? Right, mahal?
Right what?
Just say right.
What?
Just say right.
Right what?
Right.
Right? What?
Sumang ka, uy. Hindi, Garnet. Mabash na naman tayo nito ba? Pabayaan nyo na guys, ilang araw na ba ako tulog. Tapos stress pa. Inaano ko lang sarili ko ba para pasiyahin kayo. Grabe ang ko, kay nakapagkapi Inday Garnet, ikaw lang talaga ang naghahanap ng paraan para mabash ka ba? Sige lang good guys. Minsan naman tayo magganyan. Minsan pasayahin din natin ang mga buhay natin. Uy! Dito na si Nathan guys. Gamit ni Daniel ang aking bike. Parang nag-aaway na sila. What is happening? Why? Did you listen to Mama? Ano yan? Kunin mo yan!
I listen to you.
What happened there? Tell me. What did you do with Tim? He has a big dinosaur truck. You like it there?
Yeah, but blue, not the same.
Oh, you don't have the same. He has blue because you have green, huh? What else? Did you play board games there or did you go outside with Tim?
I love to go outside.
Oh.
I eat a cookie and candy, and Wat zeg je?
And you? Yeah?
Watch.
And
Yeah, you
What
watch.
did you watch?
You watch there? What did you watch? Nanood daw sila.
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels! Okay, so you were watching there. What did you eat there for snack?
Cookie and snoepjes. Can I have more snoepjes?
No, if you already had Snoopy's there, then you cannot anymore, baby love.
What can I? Ice cream?
Yeah, you can have your yogurt ice cream. That is more, ano yan, homemade na yogurt ice cream, guys. That is more, I know we're eating soon.
Please.
We still have sinigang baya. Diba, sinasabi niya na anong ginagawa niya, hindi na siya katulad dati ba? Kaya pinapayagan ko na siya. Nung mga huli, hindi, parang maparanoid ako kay, tanungin mo, ay, not this one, please. Tingnan yung ilabas. That is sweet and you can only have the yogurt ice cream. Sorry, we don't have yogurt ice cream anymore. We need to make again. No, put it back, baby love, please.
No ice cream?
No ice cream. We still have!
Not funny.
No, you are funny. No fighting? Or did you fight?
No funny.
Okay. Did you share toys?
Yeah.
Okay. Kailangan siyang painitan saglit kay...
I want to share.
Tim doesn't want to share? Oh, just like you, huh? See? Just like you when you are in your own property. Sometimes you don't want to share. Like their house? You like in their house?
Yeah.
But next time you play here again, huh? And then next time you play in their house and then next time here again. Okay?
Mama, what can I watch?
You already watched there? You just eat.
Please.
I need to get something. A very yummy kangkong.
Wat is kangkong?
The very yummy gulay. My favorite.
What is that your favorite?
It's like spinach, but from the Philippines. Water spinach, we call that.
It's better than spinach because it's also nice and crunchy.
Yeah. For the sinigang. That is more yummy for the sinigang.
Wait, you're getting kangkong?
Yeah.
Are we eating kangkong salad?
You want kangkong salad for tonight? Okay. Okay then. Guys, kunin na natin yung kangkong ko at ano pang in-order ko? Kangkong tsaka nakalimutan ko. Ay! Mahal! How about the string beans adobo? What do you think? I ordered kangkong and the sitaw, the string beans. Yes! Parang chicken ang ilagay ko. Bili ako ng thigh part na chicken. Tapos i-adobo po natin sa sitaw.
When I was getting Nathan on the bicycle,
Mm.
this nice sun was shining on me.
Mm.
And at the same time, I'm getting wet because of the rain.
Daan na din ako mamaya sa Asian shop. Magtingin-tingin ako doon anong mabili natin. No? Meron din silang upo guys. At tingnan nyo. Oh. Wow! Ano nga yan? Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan nito. Oh.
What's that?
Yeah, super good price, right? Pakita ko sa inyo mga nabili natin mamaya.
That's
That's all. She said goodbye. Take care.
I say wait that one.
Because it's not always that they will give you something, bebe love. Kaya hindi na naman siya. Bigyan kasi siya dyan dati ba? Tapos ngayon wala na silang palibre. You want sweet noodles?
Yeah.
It's been a long time. There.
We don't have any more noodles in the house.
Yeah, did you that's hide
them?
No more. We don't have any more.
What?
When was the last time you ate noodles? Parang 1 month ago na. Minsan lang ito siya magkain ng ganito guys. Once a month. Maubos niya to 5 months. Bamboo mat. Naghanap ako ng, ano yan? Yung pang rolling mat ng sushi. Yan, that one. How much is it? Bamboo mat. Ayok. This one is better. This one is better. That one, mahal. How much is that? I need that. Okay.
This one is more expensive.
Kaya para makagawa tayo ng sushi sa bahay. Tingnan nyo guys, magkano ang kangkong nila dito. 450. Tapos ito lang. Tingnan nyo yung mamaya yung nabili ko. Nakakuha siya. But later ha, after dinner. Not now.
This because I cannot.
Yung mga nabili natin guys. Yung nagbili pa siya ng ube na ice cream. The sweet noodles is only in the weekend. Only one time. Okay? Only one time. And Saturday or Sunday, you can choose. It's not for everyday. It's not healthy, bebe love. Bili sana ako ng tilapia. Kay para bukas namin ba, meron pa man akong pampano doon, guys. Mag-ano na lang ako ng pampano.
Yeah.
Prito ng pampano bukas. Yes?
Of course, I'm doing the grocery roll. I got
What is
the
that?
coconut ice cream. That is for me. And for Papa, the other ice cream.
Is ube ice cream.
Ube ice cream.
Adik ba ang papa niya sa ano? Ube, guys. And what is this? This is the kangkong. Look, guys.
Now the sweet
Oh, sweet noodles first daw. And what else?
kangkong.
The kangkong and the beans. The beans. Now let's put your ice cream in the freezer so it won't melt.
Mama,
Open it first.
Open it first. For me and Papa, because I want to also try the ube ice cream.
Of course, you share, huh? Always sharing. Sharing is...
After eating, I eat the ube ice cream.
Okay. Ano naman kasi yung ice cream niya kanina, yogurt. So, okay lang na mag-ice cream pa siya. Bebe Love, sharing
The
is...
ube ice cream is after eating.
Yeah. But sharing is...
Sharing.
Very good. Ang nanay, bahala sila sa mga ice cream nila dyan. Basta meron sa kanila. Adulting period.
I don't think so.
Okay, you think so and you don't do 1 kilo, guys. Ang bili ko nito is €7.50. 1 kilo na po siya. Look at that. Manakit ang panga natin kay ang mga ano nila sitaw dito, matigas. Kapagod buyain, guys. Sa totoo lang. At ito, tingnan nyo. 1 kilo is €10. Diba? Pero ito not bad na. Wala kang mahanap na ganito na ganyan nakamura. 7.50 ang kilo. Ito, tingnan nyo yung ano nila doon. Kakunti-kunti lang. €4.50. Ito, 10 euros, 1 kilo. Kaya sa kanya ako bumibili kay Bultuhan, guys. Mahal masyado yan dyan sa Asian shop. Pero araw-arawin ko to para mabilis maubos. Ito ang lutuin ko for today's vlog. Hanggang breakfast ko po. Ito na muna. So, meron pa tayo.
So, Mama.
Adulting period sa
Mama.
abroad po.
Mama.
Yes.
That is really room.
Okay. Para sa sinigang ni Nathan, guys. Oh. Walang tapon dito. Ay. Mag-ano kaya ako no? Magtanim? This is the spinach of the Philippines. Do you know that? Turuan na natin ito mga happat, guys. Like this. No, not like that. Just one by one. This one from here. See? Okay. And then you put it here. And then you hold this on the other hand. And then you
No,
get it.
I don't. I want to do it alone. The small one?
Okay, the small one can also be. Manghagpat ka dyan.
Papa.
Hagpat.
That small
Tapos
one?
yung ganito, i-ano ko yan, i-adobo. Sarap yan i-adobo,
And
guys.
this one?
Walang tapon ito dahil
This one
mahal.
also?
10 times 70 is 700! Ang kilo!
No.
Sige, like this big, okay? Like this big. Not so big. Kaya para hindi tayo mahirapan, mapasok lang siya sa ating bibig. Yan, very good. Not so big. Yeah, very good. Like that.
Then can I
Pwede ka na sa
can I help
Pilipinas.
you wash the
Yeah,
thing?
you can also help me wash this. Pwede ka na maghagpat sa Pilipinas, Bebe Love. How about the kalamunga? You love that too, right? That's beans. Put it here. That's good. Alam nyo ang nung gusto ko talaga sana matry na luto na ito. Sa bahay ba, nagluluto sila minsan yung liitin masyado siya ng pagkaluto. As in, super maliliit. Ganun. Slice siya ng maliliit. Tapos, lagyan po siya ng itlog na may kunting bagoong. Na-try nyo na yan, guys. Hindi ko makain-kain.
So?
Yes, like that, Bebe Love. Thank you. Hindi ko siya makain-kain kaya allergic ko.
So, Mama?
Yes, very good. Ilagay ang malagold na kangkong.
So?
Yes, very good. 700 pesos.
So, Mama?
Yes, bebe. Thank you ha. You're helping me. Legit na ang sinigang ko, guys. Kangkong na ang kanyang ano. Hindi na mga pa-spinach at mga pa pichay-pichay. Kangkong talaga. Yan ba yung legit na ano, sinigang. Si Daniel pinabili ko. Kakarating lang ng manok. Pinabili ko ng mga ano, tinapay. Wala ng pangbaon bukas si Nathan, guys. At saka siya kasi di ba may pasok po siya.
Is this small one?
Yeah, like that. Very good.
Gaat er nog iemand in grocery haul doen?
No, he already did the grocery haul. We're busy here. Nagbili din siya ng chicken.
No, we forgot still the other one. This one.
What is that?
The other. Don't do that.
Okay.
You need to do the guys.
You need to do the guys daw.
Go ahead, do the grocery haul.
Guys, I do a grocery haul. I got
Buong vlog, grocery haul.
Chips, yes.
spicy.
No, olive oil and sea salt.
Alam nyo, kahit hindi ako nagbablog, nag-grocery haul yan siya.
So, small bread.
Small breads for baking in the oven.
Yeah.
Sa hapon, hindi ako nag-vlog, nag-grocery haul siya.
Big bread.
Yes, with many seeds in it.
Tapos
I
gusto
like
niya,
seeds.
Yes.
gusto
I
niya
like
guys,
sesame seeds.
i-ano talaga, i-vlog siya. So kahapon, ang ginamit ko cellphone ko.
Cheese. I like cheese.
Cheese for on the bread.
I don't like cheese on the bread.
I do. I like cheese on the bread. What else is in there? What's that?
Chicken.
Chicken! Pe-
No,
pepino,
that's it for me and you.
raisins.
That's it for me and you.
Yeah,
What is it?
anchovies.
Then I
More anchovies because they had that in the Lidl now for cheap compared to in the Albert Heijn.
this.
That's a melon. Be careful with that
I
one.
like a melon.
Yes.
Melon.
What is that?
Onion.
Onion.
White onion.
And that's all?
No.
More anchovies.
Diyos ko! Ang mga high blood!
Ah, it is because you always want the Caesar salad sauce.
You're right.
Ah,
Ilagay ko sa tubig. I want to try to put this on the water, mahal. Because
I want
they
also.
said,
It will regrow?
yeah, it will grow. Because this one needs to be like that. You see that? How then? Uy, not there! That's the sitaw. You're funny. Look, guys. Tingnan natin, ha? Kung maano ba ito siya.
Try this in the water. I want to try this in the water.
No, that cannot be. That will not grow. Careful that it will not fall, bebe love.
The beans.
So we can wash. Ha? Sabi ko doon ka sa papa mo,
Don't fool
magtulong
the
daw siya.
seeds. No
Yeah.
fooling
No
the
the falling the... No the falling the seeds. You want to help mama with cooking? That is better, ha? Because then, you know, when you will marry a Dutch, you can cook for yourself. Because they don't know how to cook Filipino dish. That's why you need to be always here with me so you will learn. And you're not just eating the potatoes with the Dutch girlfriend,
And
okay?
I don't do that. I like to say, oh, I don't like it.
You want to say that to your girlfriend?
Yeah, then.
Okay.
It's potatoes they give me.
Potatoes. Ayun yung ba yung patatas, guys. Nanonood ako ng pusuan or laruan sa YouTube. Isahan ko na to, ha? Kay ang mga ano ko dito ba, kasamahan ko gutom na. Alam ko talaga na ano na kayo nito, ha? Mga professional na kayo magluto nito. Chicken ang nilagay ko kay para mas low ang calorie kaysa sa pork belly.
What are you making?
I am making adobo string beans.
And for my
And for you, the sinigang with a lot of talong.
yeah.
Huwag yan, kay pang ano ko yan.
Yeah, talo.
Told ya. So happy. Nahihil natin yung pag kami sa Pinas. Lugada.
Stand it.
Not yet. I just put the plate and then you will come here and shouting, eating time, eating. Not yet. You are funny. Go to your papa first.
Eating time.
Not yet.
Eating time.
You cannot wait anymore.
I'm hungry. Now is it all? Now no.
Go sit there. Eating
Mama,
time.
I need to wash my hands.
Yeah, of course. Always.
Yeah.
Look at that, everybody. Tingnan niyo all the... Sinong tatalo dyan? Puro gulay. At ang ating mahal eating time. Wow! Kain, guys! Enjoy, everybody!
Wow. Wow.
Wow!
Can I have rice?
Of course not! Joke.
Why? Can I have rice?
Of course, yes!
Because I need rice.
Yeah. Eat now. And you also need to try this, ha? Look, try this one first. Oh, sorry. Hot pa? Oh, so, do you like it?
No.
You love it? Should I put also on your plate or no?
The soup.
In the soup?
Is the soup.
Okay. Now.
Maybe.
Yeah.
The more yummy
Yeah.
is the soup.
Yeah.
Can't do it in the soup.
The what? Oh, you want to do it in the soup? Diyos ko. Ipalagay ang itong...
It will be more droger than droger.
He wants it in the soup, guys. Enjoy, everybody.
Kain.
Kain, guys.
And a little bit of soup.
Yummy, mahal.
Yummy.
Gulay. And the talong, show them that you eat the talong. That's his favorite now, baya, the talong. I think I will make you a tortang talong someday. Tama na siguro ang mga kabuang. Next time na naman. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. Love you. See you again tomorrow. Everyone.
Mama,
Yes?
this is like a circle. Look. This is a fish.
Oh, yeah, the
like a
rabbits.
pizza.
Like a slice of pizza. Siyempre. Tikman.
Taste like because I like to taste like.